What's up guys, welcome to yet another review video from Casper. The latest smartphone in the Redmi series, the Redmi 12, is what we will be having a look at today. An entry-level smartphone which has a sleek and modern design that is almost similar to the latest iPhone Pro devices. The exquisite glass design measuring just 8.17mm gives an all-new meaning to looking and feeling good with a durable depiction. Something that really shows the uniqueness of the Redmi 12 is its infinite camera deco design. With seamlessly integrated cameras on the premium glass back, the Redmi 12 truly depicts its class from the competition. The device is available in three colors: midnight black, sky blue, and polar silver. The Redmi 12 is loaded with a 6.79-inch IPS display with Full HD+, which has a maximum resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixel. Also a great option is that the device has a 90Hz adaptive refresh rate, perfect for everything from watching videos to browsing social media. However, the handset can vary its display refresh rate between 36, 48, 60 and 90 Hz to reduce power consumption. One thing that I see in most of the smartphones in this range is that it does not have low blue light option available, but the reading mode 3.0 in the Redmi 12 helps you enjoy your visual experience, reducing blue light and visual fatigue, and keeping your eyes protected is a great feature for those always glued to their phones. The back of the device has an AI-supported triple camera setup, consisting of a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. Whereas, the front has an 8-megapixel selfie sensor. The camera design on the back looks good, however it cannot be said for the camera quality. Even with a 50MP main camera sensor, the clarity is moderate. The new 4G smartphone is powered by a MediaTek G88 SoC chipset, a mid-range chipset that MediaTek released in 2020. The Helio G88 contains two ARM Cortex-A75 CPU cores clocked at 2 GHz, 6 Cortex-A55 cores restricted to 1.8 GHz, and a Mali G52MP2 GPU that peaks at 1 GHz. A mid-level performance range chipset for an entry-level smart device. For me, the amazing part of the phone is the battery, housing a 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging option, which can last up to 37 hours of talk time and up to 23 days of standby time, is the ideal smart device to have for a person always on the go. The device also comes with either 4 or 8 GB of RAM memory and 128 or 256 GB of storage space, which can be further expanded up to 1 TB via microSD cards. The SIM card holder is a hybrid version where you can use 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and MMC. Equipped with a 12/17 loudspeaker and a 3.5mm audio jack, which is quite less common on smartphones these days. The device is IP53 certified, which means it is protected from dust and can withstand some water splashes. Additionally, the phone also supports side-mounted fingerprint, NFC, IR blaster, and even FM radio. The Redmi 12 is a great entry-level smartphone with excellent value for money. The device is perfect for people who want a smartphone that is affordable, with features found similar with more expensive devices. If you need a budget-friendly smartphone, the Redmi 12 is worth considering. That's all for now guys, hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified on our next video.